Gamboa Cuneta Pangilinan is a Filipino actress, singer, and television personality. Prolific in multiple fields of entertainment, she is known for playing dramatic and comedic leading roles in film and television. Her accolades include 3 Farmhouse Awards, a Gawadurian Award, 19 Box Office Entertainment Awards, 3 PMPC Star Awards for Movies, and Tuluna Awards. Referred to as the Megastar, Sharon began her career as a recording artist with the release of the 1978 single Mr. DJ, composed by Ray Valera. With record sales exceeding 1 million in the Philippines, Sharon is one of the best-selling Filipino musical artists of all time. Among her multi-platinum albums include Isn't It Romantic? For Broken Hearts Only, movie theme songs, and Sharon Sings Valera. Some of her most successful songs include Bituing Walang Ningning, Mr. DJ, High School Life, Maging Sino Ka Man, Langis at Tubig, Sani Walanang Wakas, P.S. I Love You, To Love Again, and Kaya Konting Pagtingin. Following her success in music, Sharon also ventured into film and television. In 1981, she starred in her first feature film Dear Heart opposite Gabby Concepcion. It was followed by a string of acclaimed and blockbuster films. Sharon Gamboa Cuneta was born on January 6, 1966, at Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital in Santa Mesa, Manila. Her mother, Elaine Gamboa, who had 1/4 American blood, was the sister of actress Helen Gamboa. Her father, Pablo Cuneta, was a former mayor of Pasay City. She has a brother named Cesar Chet who ran for Pasay mayor in the 2019 elections, but lost. Personal life. While filming her first feature film, Dear Heart, Sharon began dating her on-screen partner Gabby Concepcion, and the two continued co-starring in films like P.S. I Love You and Dapat Kabang Mahalan. The two married on September 23, 1984, at Manila Cathedral. Then President and autocrat Ferdinand Marcos was among the sponsors. The couple had one child, actress Casey Concepcion, born in April 1985. In August 1987, Sharon and Gabby legally separated, citing irreconcilable differences and bigamy. Gabby was already legally married to another woman. Their marriage was annulled in 1993. Sharon met politician Francis Pangilinan at his brother's wedding. The two began dating in 1994 and married on April 28, 1996. In 1997, Sharon, her daughter Casey, and Pangilinan moved to Boston, where Sharon completed her major in business while her husband finished his postgraduate studies at Harvard University. Pangilinan has since adopted Casey. Aside from Casey, Sharon and Kiko have 2 daughters, including singer-songwriter Kiki, and 1 adopted son. Sharon and her daughter Casey maintain their legal residency in the United States, currently based in Los Angeles. The men in Sharon's past. Here are the men in the order they appeared in Sharon's life. 1. Albert Martinez. Sharon mentioned her teenage romance with Albert only in passing, saying it was puppy love. Apparently, they were mostly phone pals because of their crazy workload. 2. Gabby Concepcion. Sharon and Gabby's on-screen romance became for real. They secretly wed in a civil ceremony on July 23, 1984. The couple had a church wedding at the Manila Cathedral on September 23, 1984. But their marriage lasted just 3 years. 3. Roel Santiago. Sharon admitted that her relationship with Roel did not flourish because she was still in love with Gabby. Based on her earlier statement, she and Gabby got back together after her short-lived romance with Roel. 4. Jay. In Sharon's chronology, Jay happened after her relationship with Gabby ended and before her romance with Richard started. She did not elaborate whether it was just a fling with Jay or a real romance. 5. Richard Gomez. Sharon considers Richard one of her 2 great loves. She admitted her relationships with Richard and Robin were both on and off. In previous interviews, Sharon was vocal in saying she cried the most over Richard and Robin. 6. Robin Padilla. Sharon and Robin had a whirlwind romance that developed on the set of their 1991 blockbuster film Maging Sino Ka Man. Robin was reportedly head over heels in love with Sharon and had been crushing on her way before their acting stints together. Sharon admitted that she almost married Robin, but then she found out that he had gotten the girl pregnant. Sharon did not mention her name, but it is no secret that, at the time, Robin got Liesl Sakenko pregnant. The child would grow up to be Queenie Padilla. 7. Charlie Kawanko. Sharon did not elaborate on her broken engagement to Charlie Kawanko, nor did she provide any romantic detail. Although she mentioned that, after the Charlie episode, Richard came back to her life, but Sharon did not say how long their rekindled romance lasted. Her forever man. Sharon and Kiko met at the wedding of her brother in 1994. 2 years later, on April 28, 1996, they had their own wedding. Sharon is firmly standing by her man amidst rumors casting doubt on his loyalty to her. The senator himself was once asked about the secret of his happy marriage. With characteristic humor, he answered, having a very simple arrangement that has withstood the test of time. She goes her way, and I go her way. Sharon Cuneta gives tour of family farmhouse in Cavite. Sharon gave her fans a glimpse of her family's farmhouse in Cavite, where they usually welcome the new year. The country's megastar said the property serves as their sanctuary from the stresses of work and city life. I love this house because it's very cozy. Every now and then, we visit because we love how relaxing it is here, she said. Surrounded by different trees and plants, the house at Sweet Spring Country Farm has 3 bedrooms, living and dining areas, a kitchen, and a spacious balcony. Sharon had their home decked out for the holidays, with both Filipino and American-themed Christmas decor seen in all parts of the space. The farmhouse also included pieces from their old home in Cavite, such as the 2-piece center table, lighting fixture, and accordion glass doors. Growing their farm, in a cozy sit-down with Karen de Villa, the couple opened up about their peaceful retreat and decades-long marriage. They began with a tour that features a calming expanse of greenery visible from the veranda. The home's charm is simple and close to nature. It was 12 years ago when Sharon and Kiko first acquired the property, which they've transformed into their restful haven. Many of the things in their farmhouse, such as furniture, came from their other houses, Sharon shared, adding that most furnishing were purchased from nearby places like Cavite. The kitchen was designed by Kiko himself, with help from their good friend, restaurateur and actress Judy N. Santos, hence the functional style. Sharon loves that the farmhouse is a space where she can truly be herself. The simplicity is intentional, as she envisioned the house as a break from the glamour of her public life. And since their guests are mostly family, it makes perfect sense to keep it humble. The farm stretches down to a spring, making it easier to develop the land since there's a natural water source. They also chose this location, which is 1,300 feet above sea level, for its cool climate, which is ideal for growing leafy vegetables and, of course, for the breathtaking view. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.